how to add voiceover to TikTok videos. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add your voiceover in your TikTok videos. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you will need to open up your TikTok app and then go to the video that you want to edit. Now you can see the sound option at the bottom. So you just need to tap on it, but before that, make sure to turn off the speaker icon if there's any sound in the video. So once you've done that, go to sound and then go to voiceover. Now tap on reduce noise, and to start recording, you just need to tap on the red circle and then start speaking like this. And just tap on it to pause. There you go. After you're done, just tap on done in the bottom right. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.